Gusto dala ko 5 piso.
Well,
Pero wala akong utos sa heteros. Gusto ko yung menu. Nakakain ko lang sa kanila.
Yan, first service. Here's si Saki. Tinaas si Paraula. Brianna. Over. 1-0 is our score.
Ano ka dura lang? Hindi kayo dura lang?
Service. Service outside. All one. Ayan natin eh. Ayan yan.
Joyo. Heya Bas. Heya Bundat daw.
Ayun!
Service.
Target. Para mas madali tayo. O, tara, receive! Daming kuto.
Ayan, sino kayang mag-win dito sa game na to? Service, Emma. Nice service. Is it in it? Drop ball, nakuha ni Yvette. Tinaas kay Brianna. Brianna! That is outside. Outside daw po, sabi ng line charge.
Anong flavor niyo meron dito?
Score, 2-1 in favor of Midnight Blue.
Hi sis.
Hi, ngayon na ulit kita nakita.
Lamuray ko.
Service by Nico. Nice service. Kinuha ni Mima Arlie. Itataas kay Brianna. Outside again. Inubos niya na agad. 3-1 is our score in favor of Midnight Snacks. Service. Service outside. 3-2 is our score in favor of Midnight Blue.
Pero umalis ka no. Baka mayroon na nakarating.
Service by Ate Pearl. Nice service. Kinuha niya ni Lahabang Indigo. Chance ball. Kinuha ni Pearl. Itataas kay Zaki. All three in our score. Service. Kinuha ni Sir Luis. Itataas kay Chon. Nice attack by jersey number 21, Roman. Change favor again in favor of Midnight Blue. Service jersey number 5. Receive by Ate Carala. Itataas kay Brianna. Brianna Gonzalan. Service. Brianna. Service. Receive ni Carlo. Itataas kay Sir Luis. Shot ball na. 5 jersey number 6. 5-4 is our score. Still in favor of Midnight Blue.
May video kasi. Hi, Jess. Ma, dito ka po.
Service. Jersey number 21. Nice service. Receive by Brianna.
Hindi ko talaga
Ilaan kay Zaki.
Maya.
But it's
Ma,
outside.
ma.
6, serving 4.
Kanino ba yan? Kaysa yata yan. Hindi. Ano ba yan? Damit? Ano ko ba? Mamaya. Pwede last game pa naman kayo, di ba?
Alas 3. Service, jersey number 21, Romano. Receiving Zaki. Itataas. Drop ball. nasa 4. Back touchland. 6, serving 5. Service 7. Nice service. Receive ni Carlo. Iaangat. Reserve. Drop ball na ni Raula. Itatas kay Mima. Regalo. By JC number 13. 7. Serving 5. Yes.
Dito, sali ka. Uy.
Di ba referee ka?
Service jersey number 2. Receive ni Sapi. Perfect receive. After that, attack by jersey number 29. Leon. 7, serving 6. In favor of Midnight Blue.
Hindi na una talaga ako lagi.
Ayan, dito pala.
Service, jersey number 29. Service, received by Carlo. Drop ball, iyaangan kay Mimo Orly. Down to rin attack, received by Naishi.
Go!
Over. All 7.
Ang cute ni Jara.
Oh, go, hangol na, oh.
All 7 is our score in the service line, jersey number 29. Received by Service, iyaangat. It's a good ball. Shot ball. Receive by Romano. Drop ball tap ni Coriaman. Itataas kay Faraula. Receive by Naishi. Itataas kay Sir Luis. Shot ball tap by jersey number 6. Change favor. 8, serving 7 in favor of Midnight Blue.
Tayo mo yan.
Sige, try ka.
Service by Sir Luis. Receive by Brianna. Service A by jersey number 6. Sir Yan.
Try ka.
Nine servants in favor of Midnight Blue. Service jersey number 6. 9 jersey by Sapi. Itatas kay Mimo Orly. Ang nipis. Good ball, sabi ng referee. Itatas kay Ate Faraula. Shot ball. Itatas sa east. Nakuha. Good ball kaya. It's a good ball. Received by Romano. Itataas. Drop ball. Itatas kay Ate Faraula. Kinuha. Laka. Block by jersey number 1. Yakuza. 9, 7, 8. Ito lang po ang kalamangan ng Midnight Blue.
Bakalan tayo sa likod.
Pili mga puto mo sa likod. Carlo? Oh!